Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by committing to one consistent bedtime. This trains your body clock. First, set an achievable time. 22:30 works for many, and program an alarm to signal wind down. Once done, lower ambient light to calm melatonin production. Dimming to about 10–30% helps. Make sure to stop screens 60 minutes before sleep because blue light interferes with sleep chemistry. Instead, choose a low-stimulation activity. Reading or gentle stretching helps reduce arousal and prepares you physically and mentally for rest. You next perform simple actions that signal sleep readiness. Start with 5–10 minutes of light stretching or paced breathing to lower heart rate and relax muscles. This directly reduces sympathetic activity. Once relaxed, adjust the bedroom to 18–20 degrees C because cooler temps promote deeper sleep stages. Make sure to avoid heavy meals and caffeine within 3–4 hours. If thirsty, sip 150–200 ml of water or herbal tea. These steps create you finish by timing your bed entry and managing wakefulness. Aim to get into bed within 10–15 minutes of feeling drowsy so your brain links bed with sleep. If you're awake after 20 minutes, leave the bed, do a calm, low-light task, then return when sleepy. This breaks the association of bed with frustration. Once done, use a notepad to capture intrusive thoughts. Writing them down clears your mind, reduces rumination, and helps you re-enter sleep with less mental chatter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.